Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inventor tutorials how to use Revolve cut. I will go to part design, click start to sketch and choose top plane. For example, I will create a rectangle in here and click finish sketch. Use extrude tools to convert into 3D. Now you can click OK. Now I will select up this face and we create new sketch. I will draw a circle as example in here. After it, we create for the revolve center axis. So I will use this construction line. We create from the center points to the bottom. Click finish sketch. And now you can click revolve tools, this icon. For axis, select at this construction line. And then if you want to apply cut, you can click at this option in boolean cut. And you can click OK to revolve cut like this. So you can see again in a view, and I will change visual style into wireframe. So it will be automatically revolve cut this box object. Okay, that's it for basic Inventor tutorials how to use revolve cut. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.